Hey guys, today, let's learn how to use the photo mode on the TikTok app on iPhone. So if you guys want to go ahead and use this new photo mode that you have on the TikTok application on your iPhone devices, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the TikTok application. And what I want you guys to do is to proceed with going onto your plus icon right here in the middle of the screens. And I want you to go ahead and proceed with basically uploading the preferred photos as you would like to add. Now in this case, we do have a preferred photo mode already enabled. So what I want to do is to basically just choose the photos that I want to go ahead and upload. In this case, I'm gonna tap on the upload option right here and choose those decorative photos. Real quick this case, I could choose multiple photos just by going on over and tapping of the option to select multiple and choosing multiple photos. Real quick, a tap on next. Once you've chosen those preferred photos, of course, choose the photo modes to make sure that it is gonna be a photo mode, or tap on next. Once you're done, and you're gonna have the option to post this TikTok video as a photo mode on the iPhone. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And I'll see you guys on the next video.